Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can write a good description on eBay, so let's get right into it. Now, in this video, I'll be focusing on descriptions for listings, so let's get right into it. Now, once you're setting up your listing, and once you get to the end where you need to enter your description, here you can use the description to better describe which item you are selling. So what I do recommend that you do is that you clearly format it, that meaning separate the paragraphs, format it so that it can be clearly read, and it's not just one big wall of text. What I do recommend is starting with the most general information about what you're selling, describe it in a sentence or two, then maybe go into the specifics of the item, such as the scale or dimensions or measurements of that item, especially if it's a clothing item. You can also use custom templates if you want for the description. By the way, I know I already mentioned formatting, but that is one of the solutions you can use. You can, as I mentioned, just enter the specifics such as the measurements and any other specifics related to that item. For example, if you're selling jewelry or something like that, enter the material it's made out of. If it is a item that has a warranty, just include the warranty, include how long it lasts, etc., etc. Then I would also recommend that you, if you're selling a used item, write about the history of the item, how you got it, why it's used, how it's been used. If it's a new item without tags, explain why it's without tags, etc. And then pretty much just describe the item as best as you can. However, don't go overboard and don't have too long of a description. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. It's as simple as that. You can use AI if you want to draft a description. That's up to you. I personally wouldn't, but it is different for everyone selling. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.